It's a nice Sunday morning in Detroit. We're on Dexter right now. Done a couple of videos out here, but it's a nice day on the west side of Detroit. If you want to see what Dexter's all about on a Sunday morning, just watch this video. We're enjoying Dexter right now. If you're familiar with the west side, if you want to see more of Detroit in the future, please subscribe. We got a lot of videos. Looking forward to the summer. It's already 75 and it's not even noon. So I'll show you what Dexter's all about. And yeah, we'll take off right now. And if you're not familiar with Detroit, Detroit is a huge city. Big city. So what you see in this video, it's not what Detroit is all about. You know what I mean? I could do just hours and hours of videos. See this building right here on the right? I do some urban exploring. I've been wanting to try to get in that one, but it's been pretty sealed, so we'll just have to wait. But yeah, this is Dexter. We'll go around down some of the side streets. Sometimes I see a lot of people hanging out at this store on Collingwood. We'll eventually make a left, make a right, show you this area. Look at this guy. I'm gonna turn right here and I'm gonna pull over. I'm gonna say something before I keep going. That guy doing that just reminded me of something. I do a lot of videos all around Detroit at nighttime, daytime, and you know, I see a lot of crazy drivers out there. So just be careful out there when you're driving, especially at night. You know, if I don't know if you're watching this and you're familiar with Detroit, but last night I was off of Southfield Freeway, and there were people going well over 100, just flying. You know what I mean? So you're just seeing that guy in that Wagoneer go by like that. Just really be careful out there. You know what I mean? A lot of road rage out there all over. Not just Detroit, but Miami, West Coast. But yeah, anyways, I forgot the name of the street. I'll tell you, I just wanted to say that. It's like I do a lot of these videos and I see so many crazy drivers out there. But anyways, once I get to this stop sign, I'll let you know where I'm at. Okay, this is Burlingame and Petoskey. We're gonna make a right. Kind of a abandoned house over there, but in this area, a lot of these houses are getting fixed up. And Detroit is doing a lot to give people incentive to move here. And believe it or not, I'm seeing a lot of Hispanic people moving around off of Joy Road, and you know, so people are taking advantage of this tuxedo. I'll make it right here just to get back out on Dexter. Nothing's edited. This is just like if you were riding right with me, you'd be seeing everything just like I'm seeing it right now. You do get some abandoned properties out here, but they're all, you know, one by one being bought up, you know. Sometimes the deals are too good to be true. Kind of slow down. And you're seeing what it's like off of Dexter and Tuxedo. We'll make a left here. I'll tell you what this blue building is once we get up to it. And Dexter's been getting a lot of work done to it too. This is a nice little park right here. I'm not sure what, oh, that blue building is a community center. You know, you got maybe 2 families that live in each one of these houses. I don't know if there's anybody in that red house. It looks like we got a green light. We're gonna go back on left Dexter. That was Elmhurst we were just on. But all this is getting paved. I hear it's gonna be pretty nice. In Harmony Cafe or Coffee. I know you guys didn't see that, but looks like it's a good place. Just little by little, this place over here. apartment complex. Sometimes the deals are too good to be true, you know? You can get places pretty cheap out here. We'll make it right. I'll show you this part of Dexter. Street doesn't have a name. We'll figure it out up here though. Now in the nighttime, there'd be a lot more hanging out. I wouldn't consider this really, really dangerous, but I'm so used to Detroit. In my opinion though, I wouldn't want to be out here at night unless you knew somebody. You know, as far as like if you're here visiting the city as a tourist, I don't see anything around Dexter that you would really want to do. I mean, there might be a restaurant or something like that, but as far as like tourist attractions and stuff like that, this is mainly like where the people live, you know what I mean? But we're not too far from downtown, and you know, there's things that are popping up here and there, but that's what I get. You know, if you're out here during the day doing what I'm doing, it's not too bad. But I wouldn't want to be out here on a summer night just walking around, if that makes any sense. But if you are from out of town and you come out here during the day, maybe there's something you see, doing your research, you should be okay. You know what I mean? It's just at night things change. It's not like on Woodward Avenue. You know what I mean? But it's getting better in my opinion. But me personally, I'm familiar more with like, you know, Southwest Detroit and all that. So everything I'm saying right now, this is just an opinion. It's not really a fact. Cause I don't live out here. That's just what I get from being out here. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. Getting a lot better, what I see though. Paving of the roads, people buying up houses. I used to see a lot of prostitution during the night. That seems to have, you know, gotten cleaned up. I see a lot of police out here. So, this is Dexter again. We're gonna keep going towards West Davison. Nice colorful buildings. Like, you know, stuff like that. Every little thing you know, counts, you know. Make it colorful, make it nice. We'll make a left here on Waverly. This marker right here, they got a park right over here. Sometimes I see a lot of hanging out, but I see the police crews around here quite a bit. Sometimes they have one of those mobile units, if you know what I mean. They set it up like right over here on the right. They'll have a thing that'll pop up. It'll be like maybe 10, 12 feet. It'll have like 3 or 4 cameras. But you got exercise equipment over there, basketball courts. I wish I could slow down a little bit more. I just got a guy kind of behind me. And that's West Davison and Dexter. Hopefully you guys are liking my little tour of Dexter Avenue. If you want to see more, like I said, I don't just do driving videos now with the warmer weather. I'm gonna be outdoor a lot more, urban exploring, historical videos. Petoskey Street, a little bit of everything. I'll just keep on going straight. But yeah, you can get some nice properties out here. And the thing I like about Detroit is a lot of the properties are really nice, really brick properties, and you know, you'd be surprised. Some of these places have fireplaces, libraries, and there's just a lot to Detroit. So just don't watch this one video and think all of Detroit is like what you see in this 15-20 minute video. It gets a lot different, a lot more modern, a lot more historic, all different sides, different nationalities. Trying to think about a little bit more. This area is on the affordable side though. But you can see for yourself, every one of these properties, most of them look like they're being taken. People are living in there. Clement Street, Some of them too, you can get it for cheap, and you can rent out one part of it, and then you live in another part. If you have a large family, maybe 2 people, get in on a property together. As long as you guys get along, you know what I mean? It could work out to be a good thing. We got Pasadena Street. I recently did a video around here. I'm always looking out too for urban exploring. Oakman, right here. This Oakman has a lot of nice houses. Oakman Boulevard. Okay, I think what I'll do, because Dexter and Oakman kind of connect, I'll make it right here. Yeah, but this Oakman right here, hopefully you guys are seeing it. This is a nice part of Detroit. Look at this house, beautiful. You may be talking 5-6 bedrooms. Hopefully I'm not complaining about the sun because we don't get it enough, but I want you guys to just, hopefully you guys see with the sun some of the houses. You're talking mini mansions. Oakman Boulevard. And this is a big street. I could do a whole video on Oakman. No danger out here at all, you know? This is Dexter and Oakman. I'm just gonna go down a couple more streets right here on Oakman just to show you this part of Detroit. But like I was saying, like in the beginning you saw that part. Now you're seeing Dexter and Oakman. It looks like they got a community association sign on the left. I don't know how active that is, but it is there. Go ahead and look behind me. I don't see any cars. Try to move the camera as much as I can. We'll make a left and another left so I can show you the other side too. Get away from the sun. Like, look at this house. Not too bad. Some of these houses are beautiful. And you got all different types of living too. More modern condos. Just even being out on Oakman Boulevard, you can see for yourself some of these houses are really beautiful. Fireplaces on the inside. Very peaceful. I wish I had more, info as far as pricing and things like that. You could probably get something out here for like $250 or $3 to start out. Things get really pricey though in Detroit, you know what I mean? It just depends on your budget, but in my opinion, compared to other parts of the United States, you get a good deal out here as far as the quality of the homes, and you don't have to worry about hurricanes, earthquakes, stuff like that. So you get something. The DTE bill, though, really high. That's for sure. We're getting towards the end of Dexter. If I were just to keep going straight, I'd be going towards Highland Park. You got the Greenway right here. The bike track, I think they call it the Greenway. It goes all through here, fixing this up. Getting towards the end of the video. Let me know what you think of Dexter. Hopefully you guys like my little tour. I appreciate all the comments. Excuse me. Beautiful night, a beautiful day. 78 degrees. I'm gonna go around Fenkell right now. Fenkell, 6 Mile, McNichols. I'm just gonna pull over up here, end this video. Let me know any comments or questions. We'll make a left here in Fenkell. Give you guys a little bit of another minute. We're still on the west side. Yeah, even out here, a lot of places here and there. You know what I mean? I was gonna pull over right there. I seen some nails. Not nails, what could have been nails. Now this is Fenkell and Livernois. You guys are getting a little added bonus. Couple restaurants out here and there. Soul food. You know, I'm half Jamaican, so 4 or 5 Jamaican restaurants. Not in this general area, but if I wanted some Jamaican food, I'm kind of in the right area. More by Southfield Freeway in Greenfield. I'm just keeping this rolling just until I can find a safe spot. Let's pull over. Maybe start another video right away. Maybe Fenkell. Yeah, we'll go down here. Fenkell and Monica. I don't get out to Fenkell that much. Fenkell, McNichols, 7 Mile, 8 Mile. Look at that. Spanish music. Yeah, the Spanish people are definitely coming here. I think a lot of them are coming not only from Mexico, but from California. I mean, the weather's not like California here, but the deals are, you know, just amazing. As far as with the houses, you know, I can only imagine. DeSoto Street. Yeah, this is a part of Detroit I know very little about. I come out here once in a while, do what I gotta do. A little bit longer of a video, guys, 17 minutes. But even right here on the right, looks like we got some new properties here. Fenkell and Livernois. Yeah, this is not that bad looking. I'm just gonna pull over right here. A lot of churches in Detroit. Oh no, I thought that was a place to pull over. Always gotta watch out for glass, things like that too. Resale shops. Yeah, you see in the west side. This is what it's all about. And I could go on and on. Right here. Let me know what you think in the comment section and take care.